hope you are, because I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you at all. In fact, when my phone is not up, I can't hear anything. Okay, darn. You know that I'm technologically challenged, right? If I don't have someone here doing it for me, there's problems. And there were definitely, I just didn't touch one button. So I need to have a big plaque up there that's saying, did you touch this button and that button and that button? Because there are buttons to push and there's not just one. All right, can you hear me now? I hope you can. I'm not getting any bad feedback this time. I am so sorry. I know we should all be used to it by now, right? I'm sorry, because I had some great news to share with you. Great news, but I'm still going to share it. I'm still going to share it because I have to tell you, I was filming so much yesterday that I came into the studio this morning and realized I had left my cameras on all night. I don't like to do that. So, great. Mavis said it's all good. I know that I can see one name. They don't always show up for me here. Anyway, so maybe I was just tired yesterday, and so today it is blooming into tired again. What can I say? I can see one name. Whoops. Let's make a few adjustments here. All right, well, let me get on with the good news, all right? The Destiny Workshop is live. It is on the website. It's live right now, and I'm so excited about it. But it's a workshop. It's not just a class. It is long, and so I apologize for that right now. I walk you through from getting your machine out of the box until the day you are flying with it. All right? Because I want you to fly with your Destiny. I love the Destiny. I remember when it first came out, I said, this is my Destiny. It is. It's my Destiny because I love that machine. And you got 2 sewing classes. One where we just go through everything. We go through advanced things. We go through couching. We go through bobbin works. We go through scanning. We go through placements. We go through everything. And then we go into embroidery. And then also in sewing, we're going to make a project. And here's the project we're going to make. We are going to learn about all the decorative stitches. And this is made in a really fun way. It's not pieced together, which is fun. We're going to go over the binding so that when you leave that class, you know how to machine bind. And I know that you love to hand bind, but I don't. I like to machine bind. And I really like how it's done. I like how it looks. I like everything about it. But just give it a try, right? We go through all the embroidery settings. We go through perfect placement in the embroidery also. We use the camera. We use the scan feature. We use the line scanning. We use image scanning. We do everything that machine will do. 7 different classes. And then I walk you through 2 different exercises, detailed step by step by step of what button you push. All right? So we're going to have video with it. Plus you'll get an outline with everything you need to do. So when you finish that class, you'll have a clear understanding of what IQ Designer can do and what you can do with it. And you are going to love it. And this is the project we actually make out of different shapes that are built into the machine. I love it. I love it. And I think you're going to love it too. But here's the cool part. All right, you ready for the cool part? It is live right now on the website. But if you sign up before next Monday, the 17th at 11 o'clock Mountain Time, then you'll get 25% off. Okay? But it's really a long class. No, there's 7 classes. 7 classes in this workshop. So it is a workshop. But I want you to feel like when you're finished that you have worked and you know all about it and you are ready to go. All right, the coupon code for this is My Destiny. All right, I will make a post about this as soon as we leave right here so that you have a clear understanding with the link of where to go, what you're going to do, and I hope you love it. And if you have any questions at all you have to email me is barb@sewwithbarb.com. I'm here for you, okay? I love this machine. I know it's been out a few years, but we still have them because we still love them. I'm not giving mine up. You're going to have to pry it out of my cold, dead hands. I love my Destiny. Yes, I have a Solaris, but I have my Destiny too. There's not a better way to sew than on a Destiny. It has everything. I love the camera feature. I love the snowman stickers. I can't tell you all the things I love about it. We go through the sensor pen, what it does, how it works in embroidery and in sewing. All right? You are going to love it. Okay, I'm going to put her down now. I'm going to go put her to rest. I got work to do today, but I hope to see you very soon. All right. Bye, everyone.